Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Hot Zone in Brawl Stars. Hot Zone is a fast-paced, objective-based game mode where two teams of 3 brawlers compete to control specific areas on the map. Your goal is to capture and hold these zones to accumulate points. The first team to reach 100% of the required points, or the team with more points when the timer runs out, wins the match. It's all about strategic positioning and teamwork. Choosing the right brawlers is crucial for success in Hot Zone. You'll want a balanced team composition, often including a brawler to hold the zone, another to apply pressure, and a third to deal damage or support. Brawlers with high health, area of effect attacks, or abilities that slow and stun are particularly effective. Consider your team synergy and the specific map layout when making your selections for optimal performance. Effective strategy involves understanding when to push and when to defend. If there are multiple zones, try to secure at least one, then focus on contesting others. Always use the map's obstacles for cover, protecting yourself from incoming fire. Communicate with your team to execute coordinated attacks or retreats. Don't overextend. Sometimes a tactical retreat allows for a stronger counter-push. For advanced play, mastering super ability management is key. Use your super to clear a zone, secure a kill, or create space for your team. Pay close attention to the enemy team's brawler choices and adapt your strategy accordingly. Sometimes, sacrificing a small amount of zone time to eliminate a high-threat enemy can turn the tide. Remember, teamwork and quick decision-making are paramount for consistent victories.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.